Hi, I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm the host of Best of Us Investors. I'm a retired financial advisor. I spent my career in financial planning. I was a part of the Ameriprise system. I ran one of the largest financial planning practices within their 10,000 franchisee system, and I sold my business in 2005. I'm back here for personal reasons, as to share my knowledge and my experience. I would say if you, like me, my investing is built around one premise right now, and that is that the coronavirus is the most important event that has occurred in my 76 years of life relative to the economic structure of our United States and the world. It has brought the world to its knees. It has changed the perspective of every part of our economy, and it will from this point forward. If you accept that premise, and then you say, okay, if that change is so important, how do I get in front of it, and how do I invest to take advantage of it? If you believe that premise, that that's where the future lies, that's where the fortunes will be made in the future, you need to do something right now. Subscribe to this channel, and I will walk you through what's going to happen in the investment markets over the next 10 years. And I will do that through the videos that I put out every morning. And then I will enhance that by inviting you to come to bestofusinvestors.com, sign up for our entrance to our Discord. That is, give me your name and your email address, and I'll send you a link to our Discord, and you can become a part of our tribe. If this all sounds good to you, and if you'd like to know where I think the best place you could put your money today is, stay with me.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Grinkmeyer.
Every once in a while, the investment gods give you an opportunity, put a favor in front of you and say, this is your chance. This is your chance if you're smart enough to cash in on it. That happened in the last 2 weeks. And I want to share with you how I'm going to react to it and how I think maybe you should. Again, as I said, I think the coronavirus is the most important event that has happened relative to my investment opportunities in my 76 years. I believe that there is going to be a meeting of minds around the world that says, this pandemic can never happen again, and no other pandemic can ever happen again. And what are we going to do about it? That is going to make a major change in how we look towards healthcare. And that is going to be driven by biotech. I'm going to talk about 6 stocks today that I think you need to jump into as quick as you can. Here they are. The first one on my list is Crispr. If you have followed my channel at all, you know I believe Crispr is going to change our world, comparable to the internet. Crispr is a means by which disease will be removed from our lives. If you want to know more about Crispr, see some of my other earlier videos. Crispr in the last several weeks dropped 50%. Almost equal to that, a genome sequencing company, Pacific PACB, dropped 38%. Edit, a genome editing company, dropped 48%. At the same time, there were the 3D printing companies dropped substantially. XONE dropped 50%. 3D Systems dropped 50%, and Desktop Metals dropped 44%. I want to now take you to my charting program, Trading Views. I've gotten involved with this company, and I think you should too. You're going to find a link to my affiliate program, and let me show you how I'm using trading views to enhance my trading activity. As I said, I think there is a stock rally, a recovery, if you will, that is taking place, and I want to take advantage of it in those categories that I want to be a part of. And though they are biotech and 3D printing that I'm identifying right now, there are some other areas, but I'll do that at another time. What I'm looking at here is my trading views charting. I'm getting heavier and heavier into this because I'm learning more about trading views, and I have got the premium package now. As you can see, this is Crispr. One of my favorite stocks. I believe it is going to change the world, much like internet changed the world. What I've done here is I'm showing you the graph that goes back to, it looks like maybe June. And you can see Crispr took a tremendous upturn. And then as the market turned away from biotech and in specific tech, we see a drop. And what this blue box shows me that in 107 days, Crispr dropped 48%. This is your 107 days. That is your 48% drop. That's on sale. If this is what I believe it is, and that is the second coming of, well, as someone said, a tenfold times what the internet did. There is some tremendous upside here, and we have been handed a gift with an opportunity to buy it. This blue line, is on all the charts I'm going to show, is what I thought would be a support level. And as you see, it crossed the support level and now is starting to climb up. This then is Pacific Bioscience, California. This is a genome sequencer. Again, had about a 38% drop. And let's see, it's actually in roughly 23 days has rebounded some, but I think is still a tremendous buy. Again, if the market turns, the support level is down here about 25. It's right now trading for 34. I believe if you've got cash, if you've got money to invest, you need to be in Pacific. This is Edit. Edit is controversial. There's a lot of people who believe they lost a lot of their thunder as Janet Dumdrum left them and went back into the academic world. As you can see here, this dropped something in the neighborhood of 48% in a matter of, I can't read, there it is, in 55% in 49 days. It is again coming back up today. It got down a low of down into the 37s. It's now up today about 4.29%. That's what this box depicts. The line is the drop that occurred, and the support level, I believe, is down here around 37. The next area is that of 3D printing. I again believe that we have to get our supply chain restructured, and by bringing manufacturing back into the United States, and XONE is one of them that is going to be leaders in this. It dropped 58% in 37 days, and now, as you can see, is rebounding slightly. I believe a real bargain at $33. Do I believe it'll get back up to 64? I most certainly do. And then there's 3D systems, similar to XONE. It dropped 59% in 33 days and now is starting its climb back up. A bargain, a support level here of 23, which it crossed on a daily basis, and now is giving us some return. Then I want to look at, this is Desktop Metals, again a 3D stock. It dropped 53% in roughly 18 days, trading days. Again, I believe this looks to me It so reminds me of the drop in March of the stocks that went out of favor, the hotel stocks, the airline stocks, the cruise stocks, as panic came forward, and then they have substantially recovered over the last several months. You're going to see this same kind of recovery in the biotech built around CRISPR, Pacific Edit, as well as in the 3D built around XONE, 3D systems, and desktop metals. Okay, are we in a stock market rally? I believe we are. I believe that the trading gods gave you the opportunity of a lifetime to buy 6 stocks that I just went over with you that are going to rally and surpass their recent highs. Will it be a straight up shot? No. Will it happen in the next week, 2 weeks, 30, 60 days? Probably not. But as that $2 trillion trickles down through our economy over the next 90 days, it is going to land somewhere. And I will guarantee you it will land in SPACs. It will land in some crazy penny companies that are going to take your money away from you. But if you will invest in the biggest change in our lifetime, and that is the change in our approach towards medicine and moving back to our shores of our manufacturing, driven by 3D printing and robotics. In a following video, I will tell you more about some other stocks that I think you need to start dollar cost averaging. You need to do whatever you can to raise capital. If you got to go to your grandfather and say, hey, there is an investment opportunity, I want you to watch this video, and I want to share your wealth with me today so that I can benefit from it in the future. This is an investment opportunity of your lifetime. It's now up to you. I'll walk you through this. I've got 76 years of experience. I'll grant you the first 25, I didn't learn a whole lot, but since then I have. And I'll help you achieve 3 goals that we at investors, at Best of Us Investors, strive for. And that is to make good, sound investment decisions. That is based on fact, that is based on what's going to happen in the world you live in, not on the emotions of some small channel that says let's beat up on the trade on the hedge funds by catching them in a short squeeze. No, this is not gambling. This is investing in your future, the world's future, mankind's futures, the economy's future. It's clear it has to happen. So if you want to be a part of it, come to Best of Us Investors. Join our tribe, subscribe to the channel so that you know, and ring the bell so that you know that I'm issuing a new video. I usually do at least 1 video a day, but if you'll ring that bell, if I do something more than that, you'll know about it. And then give me a thumbs up. It will help my algorithm and help me build my channel. Thanks. I'll probably be talking to you tomorrow.